Hey everyone, Ali here. Exactly a week ago, I posted a video warning you about ChatGPT conversations being indexed by Google. Yesterday, thousands of private ChatGPT conversations were discoverable on Google. Mental health struggles, personal stories. At the time, Google had fixed the issue, I'm saying that with air quotations, by removing the links to the conversations, and they've stopped indexing them too. Today, we're facing an even bigger privacy crisis that I was honestly fearing for, but I had a strong gut feeling would inevitably happen. Over 130,000 private AI chat conversations are now permanently archived and publicly accessible on archive.org. This isn't just about ChatGPT anymore. This affects Claude, Grok, and other AI chatbots as well. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and most importantly, how to protect yourself. Here's the situation. When people share their AI conversation using the share button, they think they're creating private links to share with their family, loved ones, colleagues, etc. But what's really happening is these links become permanent public URLs. Search engines index them like Google did last week. Then archive.org's Wayback Machine automatically saves them. So even if you delete the original conversations, it stays preserved on archive.org forever. What makes this worse is Mark Graham, the director of the Wayback Machine, confirmed that, and this is an exact quote, "I can/will tell you we have not gotten or honored any request for large-scale URL exclusions of chatgpt.com/share URLs. If OpenAI, the rights holder for material from the domain chatgpt.com, asked for the exclusions of URLs from the URL pattern chatgpt.com, we would probably honor that request. However, they have not made such a request."
That's a pretty up thing to say to me.
His quote is notable for ChatGPT, but it also goes for other AI companies, such as Grok, which, as you can see, at the time of making this video, conversations are available on Google right now. And the exposed content is shocking. We're talking about business contracts and NDAs, personal therapy sessions, medical information, domestic violence escape plans, corporate whistleblower conversations, academic research, API keys, and security credentials. Let me give you one real example, and we're going to keep this anonymous for legal reasons. An Italian lawyer's conversation revealed their company's plans to exploit indigenous communities in the Amazon, allegedly. I have to say allegedly because until they're convicted, I can't accuse them of anything. The conversation is now permanent, however, and accessible to anyone. Whether it can be used in a court of law, I have no idea. I'll leave it to you to make your mind up on that. Anyways, right now, you might be wondering, how did this happen? The problem lies in how these AI platforms handle sharing. They default to public settings, they don't clearly explain what sharing means, they don't prevent search engine indexing, they haven't implemented proper archive prevention. Think of it like posting a private diary entry on a public billboard in the middle of a city. But worse, because even if you take down that billboard, someone's already taken a permanent photo of it and spread it all over social media, including Reddit and etc. Here's what you need to do right now. Firstly, your immediate action should be to check your email for any shared AI chat links. Submit removal requests to archive.org. Delete all existing shared conversations and enable private mode in your AI chat settings. For future protection, never share sensitive information in AI chats. Treat every AI conversation as potentially public, use enterprise-grade solutions for business, always check privacy settings before sharing. This isn't just about privacy, it's about trust and responsibility in the AI age. As an AI practitioner, I can't stress enough how important it is to approach these tools with caution. They're incredibly powerful, but they're also new and we're all learning about the risks together. If you found this information helpful, please share it with others who need to know. Hit subscribe for more AI safety and ethics content, and drop a comment if you've experienced similar issues or have questions. Stay safe out there. And as always, remember to be kind to each other.